Unauthorized travel is only allowed on routes marked with this arrow.
Scary this here because so hilly.
Go straight up.
Yeah.
To the
Go
cliff?
to the mountain.
Be like this.
Go to
Drive.
the cliff there.
Road not maintained in winter. Oh boy, yeah, that felt time.
Yeah.
Surprised they didn't cut a road through. You know,
How to cut the so hilly?
I'm just saying, here it's okay, but up there.
Yeah, so high.
Burning pallets. Other materials containing metal. There's the cliff right down there.
Yeah. Where's the road? Go.
It's right up there straight. We'd probably zigzag a little bit. Coming up, there's no room to go.
Yeah.
Get out of the way. There's where I turn around right there. See the gate?
Right. Oh, yeah.
That's where it becomes dangerous. Camping road.
Camping road there. My goodness.
Four-wheel drive.
There is.
Ah, look at Farmington.
There.
Nice view of Farmington Station. Lagoon.
Yeah. Yeah.
There it is. Travel information. People camp up here. They hike. Camping and hiking. And
Yeah.
if you want to drive in the summer, like right now, or fall, early fall, you can drive up to the top and go all the way to Bountiful. But
So
this
far away.
is a very dangerous road.
Turn around now. Got that in the top there.
Wow, look at that.
So hilly. Here he is. We're here in the top. There is the Farmington there. Farmington. Okay, that's it. It's so bumpy. There you go. Look at the road there.
Oh, look, there
Yes.
goes a chipmunk.
Oh, chipmunk.
There's the pretty trees in Farmington.
Here, we're going to Main Street now.
Middle of a desert. Look at all these trees. They've been around here for 150 years.
Yep.
They settled this place. The big ones. Oh,
School bus.
looks like the big circle.
Almost there.
Farmington Courts.
Up there.
Passport.
Yes, there,
Passport
the
right over there.
Main
So,
Yeah. And there he is.
there's Main Street right there. There's that Main Street.
Yeah, this is. This tree not changing any
Yeah, they didn't change it. Too early.
Yeah. This is the Main Street. Here is free charge, not a charge one.
I don't think so, but that will change soon. As more and more electric cars get out there.
Yep. And here is the hotel.
A lot of shopping in here.
A lot of shopping. There's Old Navy there.
There's the big circle.
And here's the big circle. Yelp. There's Yelp. And there is Chick-fil-A there. And train station there. Yeah. And we're going to Habit. There is Habit.
It's empty. It's still open.
Look like. And there's the Starbucks there.
Double burger.
Okay. They're waiting here. Yay! That's it. Noodles.
There's another health club. Yeah, it's health.
Pizza.
They opened that a couple months ago. Nothing weird. There's the University of Utah
And
Medical
there
Center.
is the University of Utah.
Medical Center, I think.
Yeah,
Does it say?
look like. Take another right. Utah Health Center.
Yep. They call it Health University of Utah. It's
Oh, Health.
strange name.
Health University of Utah.
That was a big building. It's a haircut place, a mattress place. Wendy's is up there. These are all new in the past year.
And there is the apartment.
What's in there?
It's windy. And there's the townhome there.
Yep. Put a lot of them up. Wow. What quick.
Look at that. Look at this subdivision here. So nice house.
This is the pipeline, I think, in here. Yeah.
So big house.
That's the pipeline.
Yeah.
Those red markers, red and yellow.
Yeah.
Big yards.
Yeah.
People spend a lot of money here.
It's expensive.
Just that
this
landscaping.
house.
I mean, these trees
Yep.
right here are
100.
like 170, 200, 200 apiece for these trees.
Yes, 100 plus this tree. Look
So
at
it's
this
like
landscape.
Someone's got like 10, 12 trees. That's, $2,500 just for that. And you're planting them yourself. And all these bushes and other types of trees.
Look at this school here. It's brand new. Elementary school.
Be a good place to live. Cul-de-sac.
Yeah, and quiet.
Kids go to school right here.
And school have there, so
It's fancy
close.
looking.
And very nice houses here.
Playground too.
But too much money. Cannot afford. It's expensive. Hey, that's it for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.